Good morning, children. Let us continue the same chapter, quadratic equations, in which I'll explain to you how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Let's make quadratic formula first. Consider quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a should not be 0. Then what to do? Take constant on the other side, means without variable x we have to shift constant on the other side and divide the whole equation by that constant which is with a x square. By dividing it, then we have to add half of coefficient of x whose square on both the sides. By adding it we are getting it. Then it will become, it can be written as, the middle term can be written as multiply and divide by 2. It will become a plus b whole square, and on the other side we have to take LCM. By taking LCM we are getting b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. As we want to remove this square, that's why we have to take square root on both the sides. After taking square root, we are getting this equation in which we have to put plus minus sign, and then we have to shift this term on the other side. By taking LCM we are getting x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, which is called roots of this quadratic equation. And if we write d as b square minus 4ac, which is called discriminant, then we can write roots are minus b plus root d upon 2a and minus b minus root d upon 2a. On the basis of it we will discuss some questions, but before it you should know what is the nature of roots that depends on the discriminant. If discriminant is positive greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. If d equal to 0, then roots of this quadratic equation are real and equal. If d is less than 0, then quadratic equation has no real roots. On the basis of it we will discuss questions. Let's see an example. Find the roots of each of the following quadratic equations applying quadratic formula. In which first question I have taken 9x square plus 7x minus 2, in which first we should write a, b, c and then find d. As d is 121, which is positive, this means equation has real and equal roots. Then formula is minus b plus minus root d upon 2a, and let's substitute the values of a, b and d. After solving it we are getting two values of x, that is 2 by 9 and minus 1, which are called roots of this quadratic equation. Similarly, I have taken one more example, that is 2x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 equal to 0, in which again we have to find out d, which is b square minus 4ac, that is 27, and here again roots are real and unequal. On the basis of it we have to find out the values of x by substituting the values of a, b and d. On the basis of it you try this exercise 4.3, question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd.